Want CapCut Pro for free? It's easy, safe, and takes seconds. Let me show you how. Firstly, what you can do is you can go to CapCut Pro free trial, and as you can see, the subscribe now section is right there. When you press on this link, you can see a black button there which says Get Pro Now. But the next thing you can do is if you go to the CapCut, like the app basically, there's the desktop and there's the other version. When you press invite friends, you can see I've already got 28 days from inviting 4 people. All you have to do is copy that link, give it to your friend, and then they use this invitation code when they download it. As you can see, I've already got 28 days, which is a whole month, but you can get loads and loads. You can invite up to 10 people, which is 10 times 7, which is 70. And there you go. That's one of the methods, which is very, very, very good. The next thing you can do is if you search up this thing right here, which is going to be called CapCut old version. And as you can see, the up to down version, you can open a link in a new window, or you can just like copy it basically. But firstly, we're going to check if it has viruses, because I know a lot of you probably think, oh, this is sketchy, this and that. But when you copied it and you paste it into the virus checker, as you can see, it is clean for everything. And this is the case because basically it is not actually a cracked version, it's just an older version of CapCut. And this works because on the old version of CapCut, it had less features, but all the pro features that are now pro, because pro wasn't a thing back then basically. So all of the features back then, you can just use for free. And there may not be all the features that you want, but most of them are there. And the next thing you can do is if you press import and import anything of your choice that you want to do, it doesn't really matter. I know it's a Chrome logo right here, but I know you guys are probably going to do videos because it's a bit stupid just to edit a Chrome logo. But let's say you want to add all the features you want of pro features, and then you can just full screen it, and then you can just screen record this page basically, if that makes sense. And when you screen record this page, it won't be as good as quality, but it will be like the same thing, so you can just use that clip. The next thing you can do is if you actually want good quality, you can select the whole thing, and when you select the whole thing, you can press the open compound clip thing, and when you press open compound clip, you can then press pre-process the compound clip. And that's all you have to do for this part. Then if you just go to CapCut like in the file section, then what you can do is press properties, open file location. This is a very, very good method of finding where the files are if you're taking long. But when you are here, you can see at the top you can press CapCut, then you press user data, then projects, then this draft one right here. Then you're going to look at what the name of your project's called. So let me go back to CapCut and it's called 0713. So that means I'm going to go back to the file, press 0713, resources, combination, and you can see this thing which I made right here. And as you can see, I could just download it and it's basically the full quality version. Another way is just CapCut alternative, if that makes sense, which is called VN, and there's also discounts sometimes. And yeah, thank you for watching and subscribe.